Viruses are organisms that can multiply only when inside a living organism. Hence, viruses are called obligatory parasites. Viruses are very minute in size, ranging between 5 and 300 nanometers. Viruses are known to cause deadly diseases in humans. The first viral disease detected was foot and mouth, a disease of cattle. A Russian botanist, Dmitry Ivanovsky, first demonstrated that viruses can cause diseases. Let's learn about some common viral diseases found in humans. The common cold is a viral infection of the upper respiratory tract. Rhinovirus is the causative agent of the common cold. The common cold is highly contagious as the virus spreads in droplets released through coughing or sneezing. Nasal congestion, runny nose, sore throat, sneezing, fever, headache, and cough are the symptoms of the common cold. There is no specific drug to treat the common cold. Medicines can be taken to give symptomatic relief. Infection can be prevented by maintaining proper hygiene, using hand sanitizers, etc. Measles is an airborne disease that spreads via droplet infection. An RNA virus called the rubeola virus is the causative agent of measles. Bloodshot eyes, cough, sore throat, fever, skin eruptions of small red spots all over the body and tiny white spots called Koplik spots inside the mouth are the symptoms of measles. There is no specific treatment for measles. However, symptomatic relief may be gained by taking acetaminophen and proper bed rest. The spread of infection can be prevented by isolating the patient and routine immunization measures. One measles attack will give an individual lifelong immunity against the disease. Swine flu was declared a pandemic in 2009. It is caused by the H1N1 strain of influenza virus. It is highly contagious and is an airborne infection. Symptoms of swine flu are similar to regular flu and include cough, sore throat, fever, weakness, body aches, etc. An infection is confirmed as swine flu after detection of the H1N1 influenza strain by performing real-time polymerase chain reaction, RT-PCR, on throat swab samples. Treatment includes medicines that provide symptomatic relief. However, in high-risk patients, antivirals such as oseltamivir or zanamivir may be administered. Maintaining hygienic practices, covering the mouth with masks, vaccination, etc., can prevent the spread of swine flu. Inflammation of the liver is called hepatitis. Hepatitis is infectious when it is caused by virus. It spreads via the fecal-oral route by contaminated food and water. Some forms of hepatitis are sexually transmitted. There are many types of hepatitis. 3 types of hepatitis, classified depending upon the causative virus, are hepatitis A, caused by the hepatitis A virus, hepatitis B, caused by the hepatitis B virus, and hepatitis C, caused by the hepatitis C virus. Symptoms of hepatitis include abdominal pain, dark urine, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, loss of appetite and jaundice, that is, yellowing of eyes and skin owing to the accumulation of bilirubin pigment. Liver function tests and hepatitis virus serology tests are used to confirm a hepatitis infection. There is no specific treatment. Diet control is advised. Treatment depends upon the extent of the infection, the root cause of hepatitis, etc. The hepatitis infection can be prevented by maintaining proper hygiene with respect to consumption of water and food. Hepatitis B is sexually transmitted. Hence, safe sexual practices and the hepatitis B vaccine can help prevent it. AIDS, or acquired immune deficiency syndrome, is caused by the human immunodeficiency virus, or HIV, a retrovirus. Syndrome means a group of symptoms, and AIDS is actually characterized by a group of symptoms. The HIV retrovirus multiplies in the host cell by producing DNA from its RNA genome using the reverse transcriptase enzyme. As time progresses, the immune system weakens and the patient becomes easily susceptible to opportunistic infections such as Kaposi sarcoma, herpes, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, tuberculosis, etc. HIV is detected by the enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay, ELISA, and Western blot tests. Till date, AIDS doesn't have any cure, but research is going on. Antiretroviral therapy is used in HIV-infected people. It reduces the number of HIV particles in the bloodstream. Sharing needles, unsafe sex, and sex with multiple partners are high-risk behaviors for causing AIDS. Spread of AIDS can be prevented by avoiding sexual contact with infected persons, using sterilized or disposable needles, screening blood before transfusion, taking precautions while handling patient samples. Dengue is a highly infectious disease caused by the dengue virus. It is transmitted from human to human via the bite of the Aedes mosquito. Symptoms of dengue are high fever, headache, muscle and joint pains, and rashes on the body. In severe cases, it may develop into dengue hemorrhagic fever, which affects the circulatory system. Oral or intravenous rehydration and symptomatic treatment are prescribed for dengue. Dengue can be prevented by destroying mosquitoes and preventing mosquito bites.